Hello friends, my name is Ashwini Sanjay Kadam and my seminar topic is Bioinorganic Chemistry. Now introduction. Bioorg- Bioinorganic chemistry is a concern with the roles of inorganic elements in a biological process. Bioinorganic chemistry is a highly interdisciplinary research field. Essential and non-essential elements depending on the requirements and role in biological process. Above elements are classified as essential elements and non like microelements. These are the elements that are needed by body in very small amounts in a micro or a nanograms are called as a microelements. The elements that are required to be present in a diet in amount of more than 1 gram, and they are constitute 60 to 80% all inorganic minerals in the body are called microelements. Non-essential elements. Example, the average world temperature, however, has a continued to rise significantly. Role of metal ions in a biological system. Role of sodium and potassium. The two alkali metals, sodium and potassium, are very important and play the vital role in a biological systems. Our average intake is much above these values, deficiency and readily observed. Porphyrins and metalloporphyrins. Two of these are tertiary nitrogen donor position, which can be formed coordinating bonds by donating a pair of electron each metal ion. Hemoglobin structure. Each polypeptide chain resembles myoglobin tertiary structure, but the sequence varies. Hemoglobin and myoglobin. Myoglobin is a monometric oxygen binding hemoprotein found in heart and skeletal muscles. These are the structures of heme and hemoglobin. Transport and storage of oxygen. Myoglobin has a more affinity for oxygen. At this stage, pressure of oxygen drops to 60 mmHg. The graph as shown below. Thank you.